Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to check how long your VC is suspended on Roblox. And this method can be used by using your PC or your mobile phone. It's very simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing to do is to open your browser on your PC or even on your mobile phone. Then make sure that you are logged into your account or any account that you want to know how long your VC is suspended. Then what you're gonna do now is to type the link that is gonna be shown on the screen right now. Type it in a new tab. After doing copy paste to the link, as you can see, it shows a code, and this code shows some of your settings on your account. And as you can see here, I have banned until null, and this is because that I'm not banned. And when you look at this line right here, it has the value false, and this is because I'm not banned. And this code can differ from account to account, so you might not have the same values. If your account is banned, you will see something like this code right here, and you should go to this number of seconds after banned until. Then after copying the number of seconds or this number after banned until, you should go to the other link that is gonna be shown on your screen right now. Then copy the link into the search bar. And this website right here is used to convert the seconds to a date. So let's say that I have this number of seconds right here. After typing the number of seconds you have, click on convert. And this, as you can see, can tell me exactly when will the ban be unlocked or unsuspended. And it will also convert it to your time zone. And that is it. This is how you know how long your VC is suspended on Roblox. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.